Nick here with tinywoodstove.com, and we're going to be taking a closer look at our wall exit install kit. What's included, how it all fits together, what's not included. Let's get started. So whenever possible, we recommend that you go through the roof. Going through the roof uses a lot less components. You can see here there's lots of stainless steel shiny pieces. Going through the roof costs less, and also it performs a lot better. Those flue gases are staying hot, they're going straight out the roof, which is going to make the stove burn a lot better. When you do a wall exit, you often go up and you have a 90, then you have another 90, so those flue gases are making bends and they're cooling down, and so it can work, but it's not as ideal. If you have to go through the wall, you need a wall exit kit. So let's look at each individual component. So the first component we're going to look at is the wall thimble. So you're going to be cutting a hole in your wall, and this is going to give you the necessary clearances from combustibles. So this can fit different depths, and then if you have a wall, say a 2x4 wall that this doesn't fit, you can trim these down to make it fit. So this is going to pass your insulated pipe through the wall. So this is our double wall insulated chimney, insulated 2 inches from combustible, and this is what's going to be passing through the wall thimble. And this 10-inch section of pipe will connect to your insulated T. Actually, we'll go like this. So that connects to the 10-inch piece, and then this is heavy, and then you're going to have a bunch of chimney going up past the roof line with this. So you need a way to support that. So we have our T support bracket, and it actually mounts on the wall like this, and then the T goes on top, and then there's this T cap that goes below. So this T cap would mount below. This gets screwed to the wall securely, and then your chimney goes straight up. This is our adjustable wall support bracket, and this is what's supporting the chimney laterally as you go up. If you have lots of sections of this, you'll need additional adjustable wall support brackets. Then on top of the chimney, we have our roof vent, and this keeps wind, rain out of the chimney. We have a band all the way around it that keeps driving rain and wind out of it. It also has a spark arrestor on the inside. So all of these joints with the insulated uses these double wall insulated stainless steel locking bands. So we'll go in between each of the joints to secure everything down. Now coming into the space, we're going to transition from insulated to stovepipe. And to do that, we need our single to double adapter. So this goes into the 10-inch piece, locking band, and then we connect to this with stovepipe. With the kit, there is 2 pieces of stovepipe. We have our 90-degree elbow. So you're going to have to go from horizontal down to vertical to connect to the appliance. So you have your 90, and then you have a telescoping piece that expands to connect to the 90 to the stove. Then our single wall locking bands are for connecting those stovepipe pieces. These are not essential. If you want to cut these out, whether for aesthetics or to save a little money, you can secure each of those joints on the stovepipe with heat-safe self-tapping screws. Next up, we have some sealing products. This RTV silicone is for sealing on the outside of the wall thimble. And then we have some gasket cement, and this is to connect the flue flange of the stove to the single wall pipe. This comes in kind of a soft form, so whatever you're putting it on, you'll wet it down and then squirt some of this in there. You let it set, and then when you fire the stove, it'll cast and become solid. So this is what's included in the wall exit kit, and you are going to need more double wall insulated chimney for your install and single wall stovepipe. We don't want to send you a bunch of components that you don't need. So to figure out exactly what you need, we recommend that you go to our website, tinywoodstove.com/flue, F-L-O-O, our flue parts robot. You can enter in your specifics of your install, different measurements, what stove you want, rear exit, top exit, and then it'll give you a detailed list of parts. Alternatively, you can email us at support@tinywoodstove.com, and we'd be happy to help you out. This has been the Tiny House Through the Wall Install Kit overview video. Thanks for watching.